Today on Designing Spaces, how a home warranty can save the day if or when your household appliances break down. Tips on transforming your garage. High-tech window films can help reduce heat and glare in your home. Plus, motor oil maintenance for your car. Time to design. Homeownership. It's the universal dream, a haven for family and friends, and in more recent times, an extension of our workplaces. But with ownership comes cost. So how do savvy consumers protect their greatest investment and the modern conveniences within?
210 Home Buyer's Warranty. We're there to help homeowners protect one of their most valuable things, which is their home. We're there to help them proactively take care of any of those unexpected costs that can happen to normal wear and tear, to plumbing, heating, cooling, and appliances. Some of those critical systems that if they were to go out would have a really high out-of-pocket cost, and often unexpected cost.
We decided to get a warranty immediately when we purchased our home so we could avoid the issues that we had previously as renters. It is very easy to file a claim online. I actually do all my claims right online. It's fast, it's convenient, and efficient.
You know, homeownership is a wonderful time. There's a lot of joy in it, but sometimes it's inevitable. Things are going to break down from normal wear and tear. So we want to help protect that and also give them convenience of being able to find a contractor with ease rather than having to search all around.
At home, I definitely like to entertain. When my husband's home, he likes to relax and break from the day. Just do things like watch TV and have family meals together. I found out about 210 when my dad and my sister told me about it, and when I was kind of complaining about having to replace the air conditioner or something, and they were like, oh, you should have had this. Once I heard about it, I was very happy to get it, and I'm kind of mad that I hadn't done it earlier.
The air conditioning can quite often be a big headache. You'll be using it a lot. You want to make sure you're nice and cool, being comfortable, and then slowly you'll notice, wait, it's not as cool anymore. What's going on? You go out to the AC, you might not really understand, is it the condenser? Is there some sort of issue? And all of a sudden it's broken. That can be a very high out-of-pocket cost if you're not prepared for that. So with having the home warranty, we're going to come in, we're going to diagnose it, we're going to say this needs to be repaired, maybe you need a replacement, and if you didn't have that, going outside of that, finding the contractor, making sure that they know what they're doing, replacing the entire piece can cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Instead, you're going to pay your service fee, lower cost, we're going to send somebody out, you don't have to worry about it anymore, and they're going to make sure that it's taken care of as quickly as possible and that it's done the right way.
I definitely wish I had done it sooner because my dad and my sister had told me about it like 6 months prior, and I was like, whatever, I don't need that. And obviously I did when I had to get my air conditioner fixed. So I definitely wish I had signed up when I had first heard about it.
Home warranties aren't the same as insurance. That's why many people choose a home warranty from 210.
Oftentimes people think that homeowners insurance and home warranties are interchangeable. They don't really understand what the difference is. Home insurance is something that's there to cover some of those larger catastrophic events that really impact the home itself. So maybe some water damage, fire, theft. That's what your homeowner's insurance is there to help protect. Home warranty, on the other hand, that's there to help protect those larger things inside the home. When they break down, can have a really high out-of-pocket cost. So as soon as you notice that there's an issue, make sure you want to get it diagnosed right away. You can either go to the website and place the claim, or you can go ahead and give us a call, let us know what's going on. We have a large contractor network, so we'll go ahead and get somebody assigned, set you up with an appointment so we can address that issue as quickly as possible.
There's a plan for every home and every homeowner.
So I would recommend current homeowners and future homeowners to definitely get a 210 home warranty.
Having 210 is a must-have for me and my family because it's just nice to know that if something goes wrong, we can get it taken care of, and it's not going to cost us an arm or leg or put us in a bad situation down the road. So I really appreciate that.
Breakdowns within the home can be incredibly costly, costing thousands of dollars out of pocket. But with having a 210 home warranty, you just pay a low service fee, and then we're going to have somebody go right out there, rather than having to pay a lot of money right up front.
For more information on protecting your home with 210 Home Buyer's Warranty, visit 2-10.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.
Amy and I have been together for 40 years.
40 years.
40 years.
And we've been married 37, but we've been together 41. This month
41 years.
No, February is 41, yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah. Hi, I'm David Cristiano.
Hi, I'm Amy Cristiano. We built this house in 2000 and we raised all 4 of our boys here, so the memories are, you know, incredible.
This home means everything to us.
Hi, this is Ryan Burke with GarageExperts. We're here in Satellite Beach, Florida for a beautiful garage makeover. So GarageExperts is a franchise-based model. We have over 100 franchises in the United States, and we install our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring in residential, industrial, and commercial applications. We also install and design custom storage solutions for customers.
It was total chaos. Our garage was total chaos. We couldn't find anything. We were cleaning our garage probably once every couple months, but it always looked the same.
I'm moving tubs to get to this, to that, or I can't find what I know is there, and so then I go buy it again.
We refreshed the rest of our house, but never really worked on the garage, so we decided that we were going to organize our garage.
The Cristianos came to us with a failing concrete coating that had been previously installed, as well as many storage issues.
Living in Florida, we get a lot of sideways rain, we get hurricanes, and I know it protects the cement, so, you know, that was a big thing, was to protect our floor. So some of the questions I had prior to doing the install was time, like how long it would take, how long it would last.
What type of cabinets, what could I fit in the cabinets? Ryan with GarageExperts customized some cabinet solutions for us based on our needs.
We used our Cabinet Vision CAD design software to create a 3D rendering of what their garage will look like with the new storage and flooring installed.
Ryan really listened to us. We're going to get some great customized cabinets.
Their garage is now going to be easy to clean with one of our Garage FX blended brindle systems, and gorgeous. The cabinet system is going to take care of all their needs, keep everything tucked away behind closed doors, and they're going to be very happy with the result.
I believe after GarageExperts is gone, I'll feel better about when I get in my car to leave. I'll feel like I don't have to come home this weekend and clean the garage again. It's organized, and I'll be able to find everything I need.
The first step in installing our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring is to first remove the failing coating. We're going to diamond grind to remove that failing big box system that was on the ground and to open up the pores of the concrete. The second step is we're going to fix any cracks, divots, and imperfections in the concrete that are going to show through our system. Third, we're going to install our Garage FX industrial grade epoxy primer. The fourth step is to flake into the primer. What we do is call a full broadcast system, or flake to rejection. It creates a textured floor system at the end. Once the epoxy and the flake have been put on the ground, we allow that to cure and bond to the concrete. Once that has occurred, we use large roofing style scrapers to scrape back the flake to a textured finish. Final step of the process is for us to apply our industrial grade double build polyaspartic clear coat over the top of the system. That provides a anti-slip, UV stable, scratch resistant, and chemical resistant coating. Once our Garage FX epoxy and polyaspartic flooring has cured, then we can begin installing the storage that the Cristianos had chosen.
Oh, wow, that looks great. Looks really good.
That's amazing.
It's a great feeling that we can transform that space into an extension of their home that becomes a usable area where before it was dirty, grimy, and cluttered.
It was amazing. The GarageExperts, they just exceeded any expectation that we had, and everything from the beginning to the end went smoothly.
They really didn't interrupt our daily routines.
When our kids saw the garage, they came in later after we saw it, and they were blown away. They're like, this is amazing.
I'll take some pictures and show all my friends at work, and I'll highly recommend GarageExperts.
Yep, 100%.
To learn more about GarageExperts and what they can do to transform and improve your home or business, visit GarageExperts.com or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.
Today's Metroplex 5-day forecast: more sun, no clouds, and a high UV index. It's gonna be a real scorcher out there. A good day to stay indoors.
Honey, We really need to find a way to make our new home more comfortable.
Yeah, I know.
I mean, all this glare, it's way too bright and hot in here. And the idea of closing out this beautiful view, I don't know, with blinds or curtains, just pains me. Let me show you something I found online.
Okay.
So this is the site. It's LLumar.com. These are window films. They help reduce glare, help cut down on the heat, and can help our new floors from fading. And I just think it adheres right to the glass.
This isn't a DIY project, is it?
No, they install it for you. I say let's see if a LLumar Select Pro dealer can come out to the house, help us get more information, and just see if it's a real viable solution.
Cheryl and Nick share a similar problem homeowners throughout the country have: excessive sunlight coming through their home's windows. They want to enjoy these rooms for TV, relaxing, entertaining, fun with the kids, you name it. But they don't want to lose those great views or suffer with excessive heat inside the home.
Hi. Cheryl?
Yes.
I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. Come on in.
Hey, Mark. I'm Nick.
Hi, Nick. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you for choosing LLumar. So I understand you have some heat and glare issues.
Oh, we do. We have this gorgeous view, but we're getting blasted with so much sun.
That's an amazing view.
I know.
Can you show me?
Yes, absolutely. Come on down.
Well, what we have is lots of sun glare, and it really affects the quality of enjoyment here at the house.
Okay.
Movies with the family and things like that. But we don't want to cover this view with blinds or with curtains. And also, certain times of the day, it gets really hot in here.
It really does.
So what do you recommend?
We can apply a window film that will help reduce the glare, it'll help reduce the heat, and achieve what you're looking for. In addition, it will also help reduce the fading on your furniture and flooring.
Love that.
One of the largest misconceptions is it's going to make it dark.
How dark?
People are worried it may look like a cloudy day, and it won't. What it does is it reduces the amount of glare coming through, so it's going to make what you see clearer. When you're looking out at this amazing view, it's going to be optically sharper. Would you mind showing me the rest of the house?
Yeah, absolutely.
Sure.
I'll put up a couple of samples, so then you can actually see it, and you can make an educated decision on what's best for your home.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's see.
As Mark checks out the house window areas most affected, Cheryl and Nick remain optimistic they may have finally found a solution.
This brochure is going to go over several of the key items that we spoke about, how it's going to help reduce your glare, help reduce the heat, and some of the warranty information. These are the two samples of the window films that I actually narrowed down after listening to all your needs and tailoring it to exactly what you and your family need. Guys, I'm so excited to show you this. I took the liberty of doing two samples for you. On this side, we did LLumar's Dual Reflective 35. On this side, we did LLumar's Spectrally Select 70.
So what's the real difference between these two then?
You had three hurdles you were trying to achieve. You were trying to achieve heat control, you were trying to achieve glare control, and you were trying to achieve fade control. Both films are going to help you with your heat control. The Dual Reflective 35 is going to give you better glare control. After listening to everything you wanted, I feel this would be the better choice for your home. If you look through it at your amazing view, this is going to have more of an earth tone. If you look through the Spectrally Select, it's going to be more of a natural tone.
Yeah, I feel like I can really see and feel the difference.
I feel the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
The sunny weather continues as the sun beats down, and then it's time for Cheryl and Nick to make a choice.
You know, I'm going to go with your recommendation. The LLumar Dual Reflective Film, I think that's the way to go for us.
Absolutely. I can't wait to start enjoying my room again.
That is a great choice for your house. Would you like to schedule an appointment?
Yes.
Let's go.
After discussing how LLumar window film will help them better enjoy their home and their view for years to come, and how the installation process would work, Mark agrees to return with his installation crew. Meanwhile, Nick and Cheryl are happy with their decision and the smart choice they made.
This just makes the inside more livable.
It's like when I put on my sunglasses, everything gets clearer.
To find out more about LLumar window film and to find a LLumar Select Pro dealer that will help you meet your unique needs, visit LLumar.com/designing spaces. And to view this segment again, visit us online at designingspaces.tv.
Rockledge, Florida at Schlenker's Automotive.
And today, we're going to take the mystery out of one of your car's most important maintenance services, the oil change. And joining me today is Rob Hathaway, and he's going to break it down for us. See what I did there? Break it down, car? Okay, he got it. So let's face it, I mean, we don't want our car to break down, and I'm thinking a well-maintained car, it's safer, right?
That is correct, yes.
Okay, so when it comes to the oil change, does that help? Does that make it safer, more drivable?
Definitely, yes. So the most important component in your engine is the engine oil. It's a lubricant for your engine. You definitely want to make sure you change it on a regular basis to make that engine last as long as possible for you.
How do I check that? How do I know?
So one easy way for you to check the oil is the engine oil dipstick located underneath the hood. So you'll want to have a clean rag with you so you can pull out that dipstick, wipe off any excess oil that's on there. And as you can see here, there's a low and a high point. You want to check and make sure where that oil level is at. But first you'll dip it back in here, pull it back out, and as you can see, it's right at the high point, so it's got enough oil in it, but as you can see, based off the viscosity of the fluid, it looks a little bit dirty, so it's definitely due for an oil change.
Okay, so that seems easy enough. Now, how do I know what kind of oil to use?
So one easy way for you to check is actually on your owner's manual, the manufacturer will let you know.
I got it right here.
Oh, perfect.
Okay. So it will tell, let's see, oh, here it is. Okay, it says I need 5W30 oil.
Perfect, okay. So one question for you as well. What type of driving habits do you do with your vehicle?
Mostly around town, like running errands, things like that.
So what I would suggest for you is then this Castrol Magnetet oil.
Okay.
It's based off your driving habits, a lot of local in-town driving, so you're not doing any long trips, any highway driving, anything like that.
Okay, now what are the other two? Those are also for my car, for the 5W30, but maybe not just for my car.
That is correct, yes. Okay. So the Castrol Edge, it's based for a higher performance engine vehicle, or also maybe if you do a little bit of like high intensity driving, highway driving, things like that.
Okay.
Yep. And then the white bottle on the end, you'll notice actually it's able to prevent more of a engine oil breakdown, things like that.
Okay.
So.
Okay, perfect. Now I know when you're talking about oil change, it's not just that. There's more to it. Can you tell me what's involved in an oil change?
So anytime you do the oil change, you definitely want to change out that oil filter as well, which kind of eliminates any kind of dirt, debris, or any harmful objects that can do damage to your engine. At that time too, here at Schlenker Automotive, anytime we do an oil change for you, we'll go over a full visual inspection of the vehicle. We'll check all of your fluids, your belts, your hoses, tire pressure, a visual inspection of the brakes, everything that we can do to make sure your vehicle lasts as long as possible and it's as safe as possible for you.
It's very thorough. Once I do the oil change, how do I know when to do the next one?
So to make it easy for you, we actually put a sticker as a reminder right there with a big Castrol oil.
It's like you know me.
Yes, yeah. And it'll tell you either 5,000, based off your driving habits, what type of oil we use. It'll tell you if it's due at 5,000 miles, 7,500 miles, or even 6 to 10 months.
So we're done.
We're all set.
Wow, okay. You know, I never realized how thorough an oil change is. Thanks for showing us that.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Now I'm driven for success.
Yes.
Thanks, Rob. Well, you want to know more about Castrol motor oil? It's easy. Just visit castrol.com or designingspaces.tv. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you soon. Happy driving. I know I will be. This is perfect. Now I'm all ready.
For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.